Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix message unavailable on your Instagram. So first up, you just need to check your internet connection. So go to your settings on your iPhone, and if you're using Wi-Fi, you can basically switch to cellular data and make sure that you have the stable internet connection. Next, what you're going to do now is by turning off your VPN. So open your settings here and then go to General. Now here at the bottom, select on VPN and device management. And here, make sure that you disable this VPN. Now, another way to fix the issue is by offloading your application. So go to your settings here, select on General. Now go to iPhone storage. Now here, find the Instagram app and then tap on the offload app to basically clear cache on your Instagram. Once you've done, you just have to go to App Store, find the Instagram app here. Then if an update button shows up, just need to tap on update. Once your Instagram is updated, go ahead and restart your device and reopen it. Then it should be fixed the issue. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.